What's up, guys? Sky King Fireworks 14 here. Here's New Year's Eve fireworks stash. Well, this isn't all of it. There's a lot more. Here's a Dead Man's Voyage. I believe that's a 30 shot. What the fuck does it say? I know it's like a 30 or 20 or something shot. Yeah, 30 shots. Make It Rain, 16 shots. First 8 shots up, one by one, ending with a, I can't pronounce that, brocade crown, the red-green. Here's all the extra tubes I have. And, here's the big ones. Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking nuts. Okay, hopefully the police don't come. The 2 Yang Liu, or I was called that one sexy. 2 8,000 firecracker rolls. Got myself a mortar rack, 10 shot. You can see all the lighter on saying it top. 10 of them gonna go all up at once. This fuse burns something seconds per, yeah. I don't know. I don't exactly know. Whatever. You probably guys know the pink fuse. These American highlights. It's really fucking good. Well, not really. I don't know. I only saw a quick video of it. I really wasn't really paying too much attention. But from what I remember seeing, it's pretty good. These are probably 2-inch shells here. I don't know if this is a fan cake. I mean, it usually is like it's usually shaped as a fan, but they're like almost angled out, like not straight up. So, I don't know. They probably put at an angle. Here's a Howling Tiger, and then the Sky King. You gotta be joking. Waterfall rockets. These rockets are awesome. I love them. Then I have the triples and the doubles, mortars, 3 of them all packed up together. And here, Tremendous 24 mixed in with the Big 8 and the Cream 16. I just took all of the shells out and just threw them in just one. So it was about 16. 24 plus 20, 48 shells I have. So I have 38 left. That's a lot. Yeah. I'm pretty sure my math is correct there. I'm 100% sure. Unless, anybody else has anything else to say. Here's the rest of it. But the main stuff I really want to, I don't know, the police will come. They are illegal here in New Jersey. And, it's funny, in other states there aren't. In some of them. But in this state they are. But, hold on. Let's put it like this. What's the difference between this state and some other state? I mean, there's not really too big of a difference. I mean, it's almost like... It's kind of hard to explain. But, whatever. Only God, hopefully God that doesn't make the police come. Or, I'm just gonna pray that the police don't come. But, I'm all ready. Hope everybody else has a safe and happy New Year. Oh yeah, and here's American Trucker. I always forget that one's always there. I always forget that's there. But, yeah, have a happy and safe New Year, and, oh yeah, and I have this also. Europa. That's it. Have a nice New Year. Peace out.